Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of feeling broke and wanting to earn some extra cash? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing my top tips on how to earn money on dollars without any courses. First up, surveys and gigs. You can earn money by completing surveys, delivering food, or running errands for people in your area. Sign up for apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and TaskRabbit to get started. Next up, selling products online. You can sell unwanted items on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace, or start a dropshipping business with platforms like Shopify or Oberlo. Third, freelance work. Offer your skills like writing, graphic design, or social media management on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Fourth, watching videos. You can earn money by watching videos on platforms like Inbox Dollars or Vindale Research. That's it, guys. These are my top tips on how to earn money on dollars without any courses. Remember, it's not get rich quick, but with hard work and dedication, you can earn some extra cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Start earning money today. Sign up for the apps and platforms mentioned in this video and get started. Subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Comment below with your favorite way to earn money online. Like and share. If you found this video helpful, here's a rewritten script with a more engaging and knowledgeable tone, along with vivid and creative examples to illustrate the points.